creamy, fresh, and ready in just 10 minutes. This no-cook smashed chickpea and avocado salad is an easy meal that's full of flavor. Today we're making a no-cook smashed chickpea and avocado salad that's satisfying and easy enough for busy weekdays. We'll start with chickpeas, creamy avocado, and a few simple ingredients that bring everything together. We'll start by mashing the chickpeas with a fork, leaving a little texture. Add the avocado and gently mash everything together until creamy. Stir in the red onion, parsley, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, everything bagel seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and olive oil. Discover more quick meals in my 10-minute Healthy Meals ebook. The link is in the pinned comment. Fresh and packed with flavor, this no-cook chickpea and avocado salad is an easy meal you'll want to make again and again. Join Yum's Kitchen for free and get exclusive member extras. The links for today's recipe and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.